Alright, in this video I am teaching you a copy and paste formula for writing headlines, that's convert, for writing headlines that are irresistible, for writing headlines that arouse, the curiosity of your prospect to read all what you have to say on your sales letter or on your email or any kind of an advertisement. You see, a headline is the most important sentence than any sentence on your advertisement, because a person decides whether to read your advertisement or not to read it based on how curiosity arousing is your headline. So there are two rules, you see, that I want you to steal from this video for writing a headline that converts. The first rule is that your headline must arouse curiosity. Your headline must arouse curiosity, because us as human beings, we are not like stones. Stones don't have feelings, stones don't have emotions, you see, but human beings, they have got emotions, you see. So you have to leverage those emotions to your own advantage, and the best emotion you can leverage, to grab somebody's attention to read the rest of what you say is to use curiosity. So your headline should be curiosity arousing. Secondly, your headline should be specific. Whom you are targeting this advertisement, whether it says letter or an email to. You see, you should be specific who you are targeting, because when you try to target everybody, when you try to acquire everybody about to be your customer, you will get none of them. You see, you should be specific. So your headline should be customized, should be speaking to a certain group of people. Us as human beings, we like specialization, you see, customization, you see, because we feel connected to that particular thing. For example, when you say hi on my email address, that's too general, but my name is Bo. When you say hi Bo, I feel connected. You see, you have customized the greeting. So the more you customize, the more you are being specific who you are talking to, you tend to impress those people you are targeting. They feel connected, then they are more likely to continue to read all what you have to say. So I often teach by example. I don't feed you data. I feed you data as well with examples so that you can understand. So here I've got 3 example headlines, that can prove what I am teaching you, that can help you understand better what I am teaching you. Okay, let's have a look at this sales letter. So this sales letter is selling a dating advice. Excuse me. So now let's have a look at the headline of this sales letter. You are about to learn secrets that most men will never know about women. You are about to learn excuse me. You are about to learn secrets that most men will never know about women. Okay, so I've told you there are 2 rules, you see, that have been proven to work. The 2 frameworks that you have to follow to write a convecting an irresistible headline. You should arouse curiosity, as well as should be specific to whom it is talking to. So does this headline arouse curiosity? Of course. How do I know that? Look at this word, secret. Us as human beings, we are nosy. We like the news. If I come to you and say, come closer, a little bit closer, let me tell you a secret. How do you feel? You feel interested. So us as human beings, we love secrets. We are nosy. We like the news. We want to insert our nose in other people's private matters. So that's in our DNA. We love the news. So the copywriter here used this word secret, because secret is associated with something that is private, and if something is private, we like to stick our nose into so that we can know the thing. You see, so that's how I know. The other thing that most men will never know about women, will never. The other thing about us as human beings is that when you tell us that we can't do something, that makes us want to do the thing. If somebody comes to you and say you will never be successful, how do you feel? You want to prove them wrong. If I come to you and say you cannot open this no matter how you try, or maybe this, I say you cannot open this no matter how you try, what does that do to you? You want to open it so that you can prove a point. So us as human beings, we like to do the opposite of what we are told that we can't do. So you will never know about women, so that makes you want it to know. You see, just do an experiment. Go to your kid and tell them that they cannot sing or they cannot dance. They will want to dance to prove a point to you. So as copywriters, you are using psychology. You see, human beings are emotional beings. You see, we have emotions. So as a copywriter, your job is to use emotions. You see, you don't sell based on logic. You are playing around the psychology of your prospect, the emotions of your prospect. Once you have understood that, you have understood copywriting. Us as copywriters, we are psychologists, but not any kind of psychologist, sales psychologist. We are studying what motivates, what influences people to take out their credit cards and buy whatever that is being sold. So that's what a copywriter does. Okay, so now I've shown you, I've proven to you that this headline arouses curiosity. Secondly, your headline should be specific to whom it is targeting. So who is this headline targeting? It's targeting men, not gays, not lesbians, but it's targeting men. You see, who are interested in women. So it's specific to whom it is talking to. So this sales letter became a control. So what do I mean if a sales letter became a control? For example, if you are running Facebook ads, maybe about this product, you see, you tend to make or write more than one ads, maybe 5 ads, under this campaign of promoting or selling this item. This is a English blazer, a roll-on made by Yardley. You see, you tend to make like maybe 5 ads. You see, out of these 5 ads, there would be an ad that will perform better than the rest of these other ads. So the ad that performs better than the others, the ad that converts better than others, the ad that gets you more leads than the others, we call that ad a control. So this sales letter became a control. So we are starting from a horse. We are studying a horse that won the race. Okay, here is the second sales letter. This one was written by Terry Halbert. He wrote for this woman called Deborah Scott, who was a swimsuit model and also became a control. So I've told you what a control is. So which means here we are studying a horse that won the race. So let's have a look at the headline of this sales letter. Free book by 57-year-old swimsuit model reveals a top secret way to lose weight extremely fast. Does it arouse curiosity? Yes. If you're struggling with weight, you want to know, how can I lose weight? How can this swimsuit model help me to lose weight extremely fast? So it arouses curiosity. You see, here's another way to reveal. If something is revealed, it means that something is private. It means that thing has been hidden. Now it has been exposed. You see, so a prospect will be like, maybe the reason why I'm struggling to lose weight, there's a hidden information that I'm not accessing. So the copyright use the word reveal to make this prospect have an edge, an inclination to read all what is being said in this sales letter. You see, is it specific to whom is this ad is targeting? Is this headline specific to whom is it targeting? Of course, yes, it is targeting people who are struggling with losing weight. It's not targeting people who are in good shape. It's not targeting guys who are thin, who want to gain a little bit of weight. No, it's targeting people who are struggling with weight, who want to slim, who want to get in good shape. So you follow those two blueprint formulas. You see, let's have a look at this one. Also, this one became a control. You see, so let's have a look at the headline of this sales letter. The story of a 76-year-old man who got me into the best shape of my life. So if you are struggling with losing weight, if you are struggling to achieve that good shape of your body, Doesn't this headline arouse your curiosity? Of course it does, because you are seeking for this information that can help you to lose weight. Is this headline specific to whom it is targeting? Of course. How do I know that? All men who got me into the best shape of my life. So it's targeting people who want to be in good shape. You see? Yeah. So that's how you craft a headline that is irresistible, a headline that converts, a headline that is compelling. You see? So by the way, I work as a business opportunity copywriter, which means I write copy for businesses that are selling how to make money in for products. So if you are looking for that particular kind of a copywriter, please send me an email at sbo@sbotango.com. You heard that right, sbo@sbotango.com. If you learned one or two things out of this video, please press the like button as a thank you. Subscribe as well as the notification bell. Why? So that you can be notified when I've uploaded another content that is going to make you the best copywriter than you are today. Take care, have a nice day. See you on the next video. I love you.